Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. So I have this bomb blonde wig to share with you guys from Royal Me Hair. If you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box along with coupon codes so you can get some coins off. So this is their fake scalp wig, and don't mind the holes. That is actually from me pinning it on my wig head. It did not come like that, you guys. That was my bad. So this is what the scalp and everything looks like, or the lace looks like, because it definitely looks like a scalp. I really love the way this looks. So basically it's constructed with 3 combs in the front. You have a comb in the back with adjustable straps, and you also have a sewn in elastic band, which I feel like really comes in handy. So this lace is a 5x5 lace front. I have it in a length 12 inches. The hair density is 150%, and the cap size is a size medium. I also have the fake scalp color in a light brown. They do give you the option to choose your fake scalp color, which I really like as well. So now right here, this is what the wig looks like with the lace still on, and honestly you guys, this is how the wig came. So if you wanted to wear it with the curls already like that, you could. Really nice. Now the only thing that I really don't like is the hairline, how it cuts in right there and you can see some of my hair. And I also don't like the fact that you can actually see the fake scalp part. You'll see later on in the video. But yeah, those two were my main concerns when it came to this wig, but I did end up fixing it to where as though it was concealed. But as you can see, the hairline looks really natural. The only thing is, to cover up like the hairs by my temples, I would need to pull the lace all the way up on my forehead, and I really didn't like that look at all. It just looks really fake to me. So I ended up styling this wig as a side part, so that's what I'm basically doing now. And I'm going to go ahead and take my wax stick, you guys. I freaking love this wax stick. It's basically to tame flyaways, and I basically use it to mold my part and get it, you know, laid down nice and flat. Also guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I am applying this wig without using anything to adhere the lace down. So I didn't use any got to be glued hairspray. Only thing I'm using to hold this lace down is the adjustable straps or the elastic straps that's sewn into this wig. Of course, if you wanted to wear this wig up in the front, you would definitely have to use some kind of got to be glue on the lace, or whatever you use to glue down your lace you would have to use, because it does flip up on the sides where your ears are. So now I'm just taking my wand curler and I'm just putting some wand curls in this hair. Now I'm not doing it any special type of way because I do want it to appear a little bit messy, and I do find that on shorter hair, wand curls are so much easier versus doing wand curls on longer hair. Y'all, I do not have the patience for that, but this was actually pretty quick for me. So right here, if you look closely, you can see that one side is a little longer than the other side, and that's because I did shift this wig a little bit. Like I said, it wasn't like matching up with my hairline, and you was kind of able to see some of my hair peeking out. So that's right there where I'm like adjusting it to make sure my hair is not peeking out. And I do end up cutting this wig a little bit just to even it out, and I wanted my bob to be a little bit shorter, and I definitely love the way it turned out. Now when I go back to shift this wig, I'm pretty sure the cut is going to be jacked up, but that's fine. I'll just continue to cut it some more. But now I'm just fixing my baby hairs, and I didn't want too much baby hair going on because the hairline looks super natural. Right here I did go in and add my finishing powder to the front just to blend it in with the fake scalp because it was noticeable.